Hello everyone, how are you doing? I hope you all are doing amazing in your life. I'm Susmita, today here with another interesting video. Today I'm going to share a very helpful thing to improve your communication skill along with your knowledge and your confidence. Yes, we all have a fear of talking with people in English because this language is not spoken in our day-to-day life. So we have a big fear of speaking English in front of people. But do you know, this language, without speaking with people, we can be master or we can be fluent English speaker. Today I'm going to show you step-by-step process how exact I do use and how you can use. Every learner, no matter you are beginner, no matter you are intermediate or advanced speaker, everyone can use this ChatGPT to transform their personality. Not only vocabulary, not only sentence structure, but also ChatGPT can inculcate your habit of reading too. Now I'm going to show you each and every steps which I have been doing for a long, and I thought this video literally going to help you, and this method can help you too. So I thought to share in front of you as well. As I got benefited by ChatGPT, you also can try, and I'm sure that you are also going to be benefited. So without any further ado, let's start talking with ChatGPT. First of all, I use mobile using ChatGPT. If you are new using ChatGPT, then I'm going to show you how it looks like. This is the logo of ChatGPT. Simply you can download and start using. Now I'm going to open ChatGPT and you can see button of pressing. So just I'm going to simply press it. Then I can start talking with ChatGPT. Hi there, how are you?
I'm doing really well, thanks. I hope you're having a good one as well. Let me know if there's anything specific you'd like to chat about or if you need help with something.
Yes, actually you already know ChatGPT. It's been a long that I have been interacting with you and practicing with you. Today I thought to create one video for my viewers. How do I practice exact with you? So now I'm going to record video of a beginner, intermediate. Everyone has this doubt how long it will take to be fluent or be knowledgeable in this language. So what's your answer on it?
That sounds like such a cool idea. I think it really depends on the individual and their consistency. For beginners, it can take a few months of regular practice to get comfortable. For intermediate learners, maybe 6 months to a year to get really fluent. And for advanced learners, it could take a couple of years of consistent immersion and practice. But of course, everyone's journey is unique. If you want, we can dive into some tips for each level as well.
Yes, definitely. Okay, so first I love to go with beginners. Initially, when they want to start their learning journey, they face or they have a fear of judgment. Okay, they don't prefer to interact people in their initial stage. So what would be your suggestion? What they can do to improve their communication little bit and prepare themselves to come in front of people and talk with them over call?
Absolutely, that's such a common concern. For beginners, I usually recommend starting small. For example, practicing with language partners or tutors in a low-pressure environment can help a lot. Also, using apps or platforms that let you practice speaking without judgment can build confidence. And even recording yourself and listening back can help improve pronunciation and fluency. Once they're comfortable with that, then stepping in front of a camera or engaging in live conversations becomes a lot easier. It's all about gradual exposure and positive reinforcement.
Okay, that's nice. So initially, do you help them to construct their day-to-day sentences? Because initially beginner can face such kind of difficulties. They are not able to construct sentences even their day-to-day life, right? So how do you help them?
Absolutely, that's a big part of it. For beginners, I usually suggest starting with simple everyday phrases and gradually building up from there. We can practice common scenarios like introducing oneself, ordering food, or asking for directions. Also, we can break down sentences into smaller chunks and then gradually combine them. Repetition and lots of practice help solidify those patterns. And of course, I'm always here to help them refine and get more comfortable step by step.
Okay, that's nice. That's literally, I know about you that you help a lot, and you also helped me a lot. It's been long that I have been keep talking with you. So, okay, next I want to go with the intermediate levels. So, what's your suggestion for them? What they have to do exactly to, polish up their communication skill and level up?
For intermediate learners, it's all about building on that foundation. So I usually recommend increasing the complexity of conversations. This could mean diving into more detailed topics like discussing opinions, sharing experiences, or even debating certain subjects. Also incorporating more listening practice through podcasts, videos, or even participating in discussions can help a lot. And I also suggest focusing on nuance like idioms, phrasal verbs, and cultural context. That way their communication becomes more natural and fluid. It's definitely a fun stage of learning.
Okay, that's nice. Thank you. Suppose I don't have any idea about the technology. I want to know something from you, how we can talk about technology.
Absolutely, that sounds great. So we can definitely keep it super simple and start with the basics. We can talk about what AI is, how it's used in everyday life, and how tools like ChatGPT can help with communication, learning, and more. And from there, we can expand into more specific aspects step by step. So whenever you're ready, we can jump right in.
Yes, definitely. I'm ready. I'm here to practice with you. And I love to know about the technology. I don't have much idea about, right? So I want to know, first of all, how we can start the conversation with this topic.
Definitely. We can start with the basics, like defining what technology is and how it impacts our daily lives. Then we can explore some examples like smartphones, the internet, and AI tools. From there, we can talk about how these technologies work, their benefits, and even some challenges or ethical considerations. It's all about breaking it down into small, approachable steps, and we can gradually build up from there.
Okay, thank you so much. I'm very thankful toward you that you helped me a lot to change my personality drastically. Again, I love to catch you. For now, bye bye, because I want to share more and more about you with my friends. So till then, bye. And actually, this is the conversation often I make with ChatGPT. If I have any doubt or if I am unable to describe the topic, then simply I go with ChatGPT and I ask, and I not only I get the words but also I get the ready-made sentence structure and lots of knowledge about this topic. That's how we can make our self knowledgeable and fluent. Every topic has their own different words and different sentences. While talking with ChatGPT, we get all the things in a jiffy. We don't have any kind of fear of judgment with in a ChatGPT. Any kind of question we can ask with ChatGPT, whatever you are having within, right? So simply you can use, improve your personality. So firstly, beginner also can use, they can talk with ChatGPT about their day-to-day life, what they do, what they are doing, and simply ask to ChatGPT to correct yourself and get the right sentence. Okay, and if I talk about intermediate, they can pick various topic to discuss every single day. If you are uncomfortable to talk with people, then you can simply go and you can talk with ChatGPT. Even we talk with many people, still I feel to talk with ChatGPT because I get lots of insight from ChatGPT, right? So this is the simple way to use, and along with, you should not be worried for grammar, because while talking, ChatGPT can help you to improve your grammatical concept as well. And along with, if you are not into reading, then simply to inculcate the habit of reading, you can ask one short story every single day with ChatGPT. You can read this story. It's very simple, easy to understand, and very interesting to read. So that's how you can inculcate reading habits as well. No need to open your book and sit for a long. That's how you will get various vocab, various sentence structure in a different niche. So yes, this is the short video for today. I hope you liked it. If yes, then don't forget to use ChatGPT and transform yourself. And if you literally like this video, then I will be very thankful if you hit one like button and write in the comment section below whatever your opinion about ChatGPT. Thank you so much. We will meet again with another kind of video. Till then, keep learning.